Clearly, it was time for an upgrade. I took advantage of Black Friday and scored a good deal on something that I've been really wanting. I got the TikTok viral pots and pan set. Whoever invented these, I just want to give you a hug because this is genius. First of all, the handles are detachable. This is handy for a lot of reasons, but me personally, I'm just excited at how easy they're going to be to store. Living in a trailer house, I don't have a ton of storage. My current setup in my cabinet is just a hot mess express, so being able to store them in a stack without having to worry about the handles is going to be a game changer in itself. I'm pretty sure either a man or a woman who is sick of her husband invented these, because they also come with lids so you can just put it straight in the fridge. Anytime my husband cleans up after dinner, he just puts the pots and pans straight in the fridge. At least now it fits in there nicely and doesn't take up much room. This set is on mega sale right now, so this is the perfect time to get your hands on it.